What's going on, guys? Thank you for joining me on another video. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. If you're wondering why I'm dressed in my Sunday's best, well, one, it's a Sunday, and two, actually no, I'm going to the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, which is taking place this year at the Distillery District. Ooh. How's it going?
They're all full over here.
Okay.
Putting everybody in the back lot.
Okay.
So left at the lights, left at the green key.
Perfect. Thank you. Looks like they are full in the main lot. Told me to enter from the back. Guess I got here a little bit late.
Hey man,
How's it going?
try going from the other side to go back there.
They said it's full.
Full?
Yeah. They're directing everybody to here. So we're here at the Distillery District for the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. Unfortunately, the main lot was full, so we had to pull into the back, but as you can see, all the wicked bikes and everybody dressing in their Sunday best. Oh. Got a Triumph, Daytona, Grom, a lot of Triumphs, a lot of Harleys. Got the scooter gang that made an appearance. All the Triumph Bonnevilles, Thruxton. A lot more sport bikes compared to the previous years. Got a nice S1000 double R here. More bikes rolling in. That's a nice MT-07. Oh my God. How's it going? Look at that dog. Oh, looks like he has his own Instagram account. Is that it?
Yep.
What is it? Oh, Charlie, is that his name?
Yeah.
Hi, Charlie. Motomorky. Hi. Hi.
You said he's got an Instagram, huh? Yeah. It's on the back there.
That's so cute. So we're heading to the main stage right now. It's the main area of the Distillery District. Everybody's dressed to the nines. I feel like I just walked into a set of Peaky Blinders. Let me go this way.
I logged on this morning. Where was like
Yeah, you follow her.
This one is pretty interesting. Looks like we're at the VIP section. That one's cool. Nice DGR helmet.
That's fine, because then I will.
Nice retro R6. So I think with the 2026 70th anniversary colorway for the Yamahas, I think they based it off of this because it looks very similar. They got the red square blocking, the white color scheme. Another Triumph Street Triple. Another S1000.
Please welcome your host from the Toronto edition, Blair Scarlett. Thank you so very much. It is fantastic to see all of the Toronto riders out today. Who's feeling pumped for today's ride? Yeah! Woo! I didn't hear you. Who is feeling pumped for today's ride? Well, it really pleases me to look around, see so many friends that I have known for so many years to support this cause, and at the same time, so many new riders who are coming out today for the first time. So welcome all those for the first time. Welcome for those who are coming back. Thank you very much for all the money that you have raised. To date, we have raised over $1 million for prostate cancer. 13 years in Toronto, over 4,000 riders, and this ride alone was over $100,000 just raised today. I'm going to introduce a few people who are important and special to the ride and my...
Just a quick thank you on behalf of Movember for all the work you're doing to help raise funds and awareness for men's health. I'm sure some of our follow-up speakers here are going to share, but I'm going to steal one little bit of thunder. There's 125,000 of you riding around the world today, which is pretty unbelievable. So let's have a shout out for that. But I can guarantee one thing, they're not as good looking as you guys, that's for sure. because there are some shit hot people out here right now. So I love it. I love it. All the work that you're doing in this amazing 10-year partnership that we've had with DGR is helping make amazing advancements for men's health. Things that we never could have dreamed of, having a partner like Distinguished Gentleman's Ride over the years. And it's showing up in places like this around the world that help make that difference. So we're super grateful for all that you guys do. There's no better actual coming to reality of our motto of having fun and doing good than what I see here right now today. And in about 20 minutes, my favorite about 30 seconds of the whole entire calendar year will be when all of you guys fire up your bikes. So I can't wait for that sound. And it's for me a great, great pleasure to say, obviously, thanks to Blair and the whole Toronto organizing crew and his counterparts all around the world and across the country. But now I'd like to introduce, well, I'm going to introduce one, he's going to introduce the other. Amazing folks to have here at the ride. Eric Hendricks, you might know as one of the other hosts of this Toronto ride in previous years, an amazing supporter and champion of men's health, and
you guys are fantastic. Thank you, Blair. I want to give another round of applause for our buddy Blair here, who set this all up for you guys, really above and beyond. And I called, Todd and I made a phone call. We brought the sun out for you guys today, so hopefully everybody has a great ride. You guys look fantastic, especially you, sir. I love this outfit you just done. Yeah. Who is it? Diego. Yeah. Wonderful, guys. You guys look beautiful. Cannot wait for Wheels Up in a few minutes here. 15 years, guys. 15 years of DGR. And who would have thought it's still going? I didn't think it. This guy didn't think it, but it's because of all of you, and it's interesting. Mark and I were having dinner the other night talking about, it's not about I and me, it's about we, and we together have raised a lot of money for a really great cause, and we do it for a reason, because we all have that special man in our lives. We're raising for prostate cancer and for men's mental health initiatives, and we all know somebody, and so, Blair, you've done a fantastic job. What I'd like to do is just tell you just my personal story about coming to Toronto. I moved here in 2020, and it was during COVID, so there was nobody here, and other than my wonderful wife, who I hunkered down with. And so it was the two of us, and I had no friends. And the first person that reached out to me on my WhatsApp was Mark Howa, the founder of the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. How are you doing? I'm checking in on you. And that's what we do, we check in on each other. And I said, I'm doing great. I'm hunkered down here in Toronto. I've never been here before. I'm from California, but I don't have any friends. And Mark said, I got you. There's a guy named Paul Dutra that you need to meet, and another guy named Blair. And so I went and met these guys for coffee. Because of our association with motorcycles, because of how much we love bikes, because of our association with DGR, instant friendships, and still dear friends today. Really grateful for you guys, and grateful for this community who's really felt this Californian feel like a Torontonian. So anyway, that's what it's all about. It's about lifting each other up and supporting each other. And without further ado, I would like to introduce you to my dear friend, our founder of the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, started in 2012, and has made the trip all the way from Australia to join us to ride today in Toronto. Mark Howa, DGR. Woo! I love you, we love you.
Thank you, everyone. I did prepare a speech, which I normally don't do. And I'm not going to go into the backstory of DGR because I'm sure you've heard it all before. And Blair and Eric probably covered the majority of my speech as well. But I did take some notes in the hotel, and I just wanted to say, 15 years, it's been a long time. The truth be told, when I started the event, I thought this event had 10 years max. Events come and go, people move on, something better comes along. But here we are, a long time, 15 years. Why are we still here? Why does it continue to grow? Life is tough, we all fight it. At some stage, we all experience pain, loss, being lost, and none of us are immune to that. What keeps us here today is community. It's connection, it's being a part of something bigger than ourselves. It is not what we are doing for ourselves, it's what we do for others. Be humble, be emotional, open up to others, Let's be kind, be gentle, and let's come back to the finish line and have a conversation with the stranger, for both of your sakes. DGR is for men's health. Whether fundraising or impact or a conversation, they are all as important as each other, and a conversation is completely free. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for being you. And a massive thanks to every single person standing here in front of me, having to listen to that emotional speech. Bring you back to Blair.
Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Eric. Thank you, Todd.
The ride is about to start. Everybody is heading to their motorcycles. See you guys on the ride. Looks like someone lost a mirror. Woo! That was a close one. We just got to our first pit stop. I kind of messed up, guys. I was recording the route, the ride, but unfortunately I forgot to put on the ND filter, so it might be blown out. I don't know if I can include the footage or not, but I'll make sure to use the ND filter for the second part of the ride. Right now we're at the Hennick Bridgepoint Hospital. Just a small little pit stop. I think we're gonna take a group photo somewhere. Guessing maybe in this field here. And then we're gonna ride back to the distillery district. Huge turnout. I don't know exactly how many riders there are, but my guess would be over 300. Actually, I'm not 100% sure. I just made up that number. This Ducati right here, I was riding beside him in some of the ride. This exhaust pops. It's crazy. Maybe I can include a clip of it if I don't include any clips of the ride itself. Yeah, there's a few bikes here that was popping hella loud. It's a nice color Thruxton right there. dark green. Got a matching helmet as well. Another street triple. Nice Triumph bobber. Got the scooter gang over there. So it's literally a quick stop just to take a photo. Now we're doing the second half of the ride back to the Distillery District. Make sure I'm recording. Alright guys, that does it for this year's DGR video. If you guys made it this far into the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys staying with me. I really enjoyed the ride this year, just because it is in the historic Distillery District. And this place holds a dear place in my heart, just because I used to come here quite often when I was younger. Just with all the cool shops and restaurants and knickknacks and stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure that you guys like and subscribe. It really does help out with the channel. And until the next video, peace.